Yıldız Makine. Yıldız Makine is a company offering services about production and sales of agriculture and animal husbandry machines. Having become operational in the year 1998 at Balıkesir, Yıldız Makine, with its successful works, took its place in the sector among the leading companies of Turkey. Showing activities on its own premises, located on an area of 3,000 square meters, Yıldız Makine provides spare part services for portable and stable system milking machines, computer-controlled milking rooms, and their full automatic washing systems, feed crushing and feed meshing machines, full automatic stretching brushes, barn equipments, and both the machines and equipments they produce. Acting with production quality, continuous research and development, and unconditional customer satisfaction principles, Yıldız Makine carries out all its operations from production to post-sale services with an understanding of total quality. Producing products in compliance with world standards, Yıldız Makine has ISO 9001-2008 Quality System Certificate for its works, CE marking for all its machines, and TSE, Turkish Standards Institution Production Efficiency Certificate. Yıldız Makine's production quality is registered by test reports from authorized universities. Yıldız Makine is especially aiming to manufacture total projects of mechanization for animal husbandry and test the usability and quality of their products in their own farm in Balıkesir. Serving the Turkish farmers with a team spirit and vast knowledge, Yıldız Makine is offering them modern solutions while specially caring for every product to be appropriate for the environment and public health. Yıldız Makine is amongst the pioneers of the sector with its both international and domestic experience, extensive knowledge about the sector, production capacity, substructure, and its professional and strong R&D departments. Yıldız Makine serves a wider dealer network, and it is becoming one of the important actors of the global markets step by step with its participation in national and international fairs, distributorship and franchise agreements. Yıldız Makine is providing absolute customer satisfaction with its expert production and service team, and it also follows the cutting-edge technology to increase the production amount every day. Yıldız Makine sells its products to 21 countries, and it continuously increases its exports with new agreements. Working with the consciousness of offering modern solutions and providing continuous service to its customers, Yıldız Makine is proud of its products being used in Turkey and various countries. Yıldız Makine, a strong company, leader of quality.